Look at this winter wonderland. We are being pummeled with snow. And we're going to church. Come on, let's go. Okay, keep walking. Look at her. Going in the street. Look at this winter wonderland. Just whiteout. It's actually really pretty. Okay, we'll get it out. I'll help you, okay? She's got some snow in her boots. We're heading to church. Our church has changed to 9 a.m. Doesn't make a difference for us. We're always up at 6. But they're getting new primary teachers. Okay, you ready for this? Watch this. There's my face. Okay, we got a snow blower. This is for all of you that don't live where it snows. This is a whiteout. This is a big, heavy storm. Yeah, but it goes into a pile. I mean, can't even see our mountains because we're right in the middle of the storm, but we made it to church, dang it. We're here. Lots of people, I can't open the door, or can you? Lots of people use this as an excuse, right, to stay home. I don't blame them. These kids, it's their first day in their new classes in primary, and Xander's first day in young men's. Oh my gosh, we have a car track made of hymn books. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my heck. Did Xander make it? Oh, there he is, big boy. In young men's. It's Nico's first time in primary. Don't want him to see me. There's Tree. He's just sitting there. He's doing it. Come on, Nico. Yay! Yay! He's interacting. Well, in case he's his teacher. In preschool. That's not going well. You can, if you want, you can find one that maybe you want to do. So this is the senior primary. It's India's last year in primary. And Ari's in the big boy class now too. All right, so India made some delicious hot chocolate, but there's one rule. If you have hot chocolate, do you know what that is? If you have hot chocolate, you have to take a drink, and what do you have to say after? What? Bangarang! You have to take a drink and go, bangarang. Why? It's just a rule, you have to. Why? Okay? All right.
Does Naomi want one?
Bangarang.
Does Naomi want one?
Just like that.
Bangarang.
Yeah.
There's one extra. Oh, damn. Bangarang.
Bangarang!
Bangarang.
Can you see? Yeah. Adriana, you have to do it too. It's a rule. Wait, or say it.
Say it.
Bangarang. Yes. Yeah, baby.
Bangarang.
Say it. Yeah. Wait.
2.
Bangarang. Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yes, it has to be on your lip.
Bangarang.
You want to taste it? Okay, give her a taste. It's hot. It's a little warm. Okay, take a drink. Let her hold it. Okay.
Mom.
Drink it, honey.
It's cool. It's
Yummy.
It's powdery.
Yes, it is. Okay, go ahead. Take a drink.
It's powdery.
Too hot? Okay.
Mom. 2023, is that how I do it?
Uh-huh. Underline it and draw a picture of yourself. These are our goals. They're pretty funny to see
So this is
the
how I'm
progression
gonna
of their drawing. 2016.
No,
Aw.
this doesn't work.
And get a different one. Or use a pencil. I wouldn't use a Sharpie. 2020, 2021, 2022. Not too bad.
I said, emotional, no temper.
handwriting.
On Christmas, no one had temper, but Xander was mad that the boys got their own Nintendo.
Was that last year?
Yes.
India's. Let me see your. Okay, look at your pictures. Let me see. Watch out! Watch out! This is a. Okay. 2019. There she is. Not too bad. That's her cursive. 2020. Where's 2021? Oh, right there. 2022. That's cute. Look at this one.
Well, my 2023 is really bad.
Hey, that's cute.
Kenya's nails.
She's doing gel nails.
Unicorn and glitters.
Way to go. All right, here's last year for India. I love her handwriting. Missouri, Disneyland. Trey, you that fetcher. Hard lesson learned.
At least we're not
It was
playing on the
weird.
Wait, what?
That's so funny, India.
Mine, Mom.
Here's Xander's. 2023. Things I'm grateful for. Hard lessons I've learned.
Things I'm
Things
grateful
I'm proud of. My family being able to push through hard times. That's right. Here's Treyu. Places I want to go. Lagoon, Cannibal, concert. I know what 10 plus 10 is, but I don't know what 100 plus 100 is. I like food. I like family. My fish died. Treyu and Ari farting. Ari hit me. I hit Ari back. Xander stinker butt crack. These are terrible goals. Ari's. Let me see the other side. Favorite memories, wearing shorts. I'm grateful for my family, bachelor's hard lessons. Our fish died. I did a full don't ask questions over and over again. How I can help. Helping mom with dishes. Yes. Helping mom with her broken wrist. Get better at back handsprings and back tucks. Beautiful. This one, looking forward to dad to come back and play. That's a good one. And oh, he's gonna write some birthdays. I mean, we are just being pummeled. Destroyed by snow. Oh, my kids are not. I mean, they are like worthless trying. There's India and Adana. Oh my word. There's Xander on top of the car. Sheesh. Well, many hands. What's the phrase? Make light work? Kind of. All right. No, just do like a little. You don't have to cut it all the way off. Okay. Bring it over. I got the juice. Okay, this is a vitamin E. Let me see. Wait, hold on. Yes. Okay, now squeeze it onto my scar. Oh, the whole thing. Yeah. Like rub it. Sure, yeah. And then you can even put it up onto my hand. Like up here. Oh, yeah. That's good. All the way down. And now let's do it over there. Like right here. I can't really see I can only see your hand. Yeah. Yes. Squeeze all that out. It's super moisturizing and helps with. In fact, you should have been putting that right on your forehead. Oh yeah. And that scar. This freaking scar. I know. Is it all out? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna rub it in.